Hearing strange sounds from your car's transmission? Don't ignore them. It could mean trouble ahead. Common signs of transmission problems include grinding or whining noises when shifting gears, delayed or rough gear changes, and a burning smell or leaking fluid. At mobileautorepair.com, our ASE certified mechanics can diagnose and fix transmission issues right at your location. No need to risk further damage by driving to a shop. We come to you. Don't let a small problem become a big one. Call mobileautorepair.com today for professional, convenient service. mobileautorepair.com, keeping you moving one gear at a time.